So I've taken you through Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Okay. Now, all of these cryptos are different types of cryptocurrency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the top 6 categories of cryptocurrency, just so that you can understand how they differentiate from each other, because there are so many different cryptocurrencies, but they fall into only a few different segments in terms of what they are. So at number 6, we've got staking coins. So these purely have value by staking them. Now, Neo has more value than just staking, but staking is one of its core features. You put your money into a wallet and you generate just free cash as a result. So other notable ones are Buzzcoin and Proof of Stake Wallet, but there are tons of others. B3 Coin is another one. Then you've got currencies. These are at the heart of it. That's what it's for. It's for being a currency of value. You can pay for things with it. Now, Bitcoin is the major one. Then there's Litecoin, which is essentially the silver to Bitcoin being gold, but Litecoin is actually faster than Bitcoin. So there's a big community behind Litecoin and a big community behind Bitcoin, always bickering with each other. And then Digibyte is also almost like a clone of Bitcoin, but substantially faster. Then you've got privacy coins. Now, privacy coins, essentially cryptocurrency was always meant to be private, okay? The data behind who owns it is private. But privacy coins takes it one step further. This allows you to buy things privately. Like, it's untraceable. It runs on a network that's untraceable. And the most notable examples of this is Monero, Pivex, Komodo. There's other ones. There's Navcoin, there's Dash, there is Deep Onion, and essentially these allow you to pay with cryptocurrency on a private network, and the records are not on a public ledger. So although Bitcoin was intended to be private, it is all the transactions are stored on a public ledger. With all the private cryptocurrencies, they're not. And basically, privacy coins have shot up in value recently because a lot of people, wanting to avoid paying tax on their cryptocurrencies, put their money into privacy coins. So this is why these have shot up in value and why they are one of the top cryptocurrency types in crypto. Then you've got Masternode coins. Okay, now Masternode coins are the ones that give you super duper value. So they're a turbo version of staking coins. These give you massive dividends. And the cryptocurrencies that belong in this category are Dash, Neutron, B3 Coin, and Stratis. These all offer masternodes, but you have to purchase a certain amount of coins. Dash is 1,000. Stratis is about 200,000. Okay, so that's a lot of money. Then you've got the second most valuable type of cryptocurrency, and these are platforms. Okay, so these are cryptocurrencies that actually are looking to solve a pain, a proper pain, and you can actually go on these platforms and you can operate on them. They're a bit like websites. Okay, they've actually got a functionality, they've got a utility, they allow you to do something better, allow you to get money for stuff. So for instance, Steam, you write blogs, you get paid money for it. On No Limit Coin, you bet on fantasy sports, you get money for it. These are actual platforms. Okay, these are platforms where you can actually where you can actually do things on. They're like websites. They're actual functional websites, and they are basically out there for the greater good. These are the ones that are trying to revolutionize services that currently exist in the modern world, where you pay for things with fiat currency. They're trying to revolutionize it and bring the platforms that have existed out there that have been successful and bring over to the cryptocurrency world. So these are very, very pivotal. These have a lot of value, and these are probably the areas where you can get innovations as well, because when you add a bit of functionality that makes it work better, allows you to get more money, then the market value really increases of the cryptocurrencies in this field. And then lastly, we've got the builders. Now, this is the most valuable cryptocurrency. Okay, external to Bitcoin, the builders are where most of the value is going to come from in cryptocurrencies. And builders essentially enable companies to build their own softwares, to build their own platforms, to essentially build a company using these like operating system builder cryptos. So Ethereum obviously has got this open source technology software. You can build decentralized apps. Neo has the same thing, but for the Chinese market. Stratis allows businesses to build blockchain databases, and Lisk allows people to build decentralized apps that you can put on the App Store. Okay, so builders are probably where you're going to get the innovations, because the technology allows cryptos to be creative, to make their own websites. You know, builders are essentially like WordPress. If you want to build an easy website, you use WordPress to build that easy website. And so things like Ethereum and Neo, they allow people to build their crypto businesses, okay, in an easy way, almost like a drag and drop way. Okay, maybe not that easy, but that's essentially what they do. They just make it easy for crypto companies to be decentralized. And so that's why builders, that's why Ethereum is the second most valuable cryptocurrency out there in terms of market cap. Market cap is essentially the value of the cryptocurrency in general. It's the coin supply times the current price. Okay, so the market cap determines the value of a crypto, and Ethereum, Neo, Stratus, and Lisk are all in the top 100, and these are the types of coins that really thrive in the crypto universe.